Hi, good morning. I am Sri Kumar Naik, active Trade. Today I will demonstrate on filing process. Okay. Before we start today's lesson, I want to ask some questions related to previous class. Okay. What I have taught you in previous class, that how to cut the metal in by the help of hacksaw, how to measure the metal by the help of vernier height gauge, how to mark the metal by the help of marking instrument. Okay, can anybody show me how to cut the metal? Okay, good. Can anybody tell me what are the tools used in marking purpose? Okay, good. Now I want to show you some fitting jobs which are made by your seniors. See the different job made by your seniors. This is your open fitting job. Okay. This is your round profile job. This is your triangular profile job. See, this is your close fitting job. Okay. This portion is called male part. This portion is called female part. Okay. If the size of the female part will be more than the male part, then it will be not fitted. Okay. So while doing any filing process, let us be careful in filing process. What is filing process? Filing is a method to remove the excess metal from the metal. Okay, by the help of file. What is file? File is a hand tool which is used to remove the metal, to remove the excess metal from the workpiece. The metal of the file is hardened to steel. What is the objective of the filing process? Okay, before you start the filing process, we should know what is the objective. Okay. What is the objective? Objective means what is the learning outcome. After this lesson, what training can do or what training can able to do. Okay. After this filing process, training can cut the metal or workpiece. Training can do half round profile. Training can do round profile. Training can do a triangular profile. I have already seen it. This is the triangular profile. Okay. Then you can do triangular profile on the workpiece. This is a round profile. This is just square profile. Okay. This is just square profile. Training can able to do different type of profile, or training can made a different type of profile on the workpiece. This is your objective. Okay. Now I want to show you parts of the file. Okay. This is your file. See, this is your face of the file. This is your edge of the file. This portion is called heel of the file. This portion is called tang of the file. This portion is called point or tip of the file. Okay. Now I am showing you in physical. See, this is your file. Okay. This is your handle. This is your cutting edges. Okay. This portion is called tang. This portion is called heel. This portion is called point. This portion is called edge. Okay. Are you getting my point? Okay, good. Now I am showing different types of file. According to shape, file are classified in different types. See, this is your flat file. This is your flat file. Okay. This is your square file. The shape of the file is square, so it is called square file. This is your round file. The shape of the file is round. The shape of the file is half round. This is called half round file. See, this is the shape of the file is triangular, so this is called triangular file. So what is the uses of this file? So flat file is used to produce the flat surface. Okay. This is a square file. This file is used to produce square hole or square profile on the workpiece. I have already seen it. This is your round file. This file is used to produce round hole or round profile on the workpiece. This file is a half round file. See, This file is used to produce half round file or half round hole when on the workpiece or job. The shape of the file is triangular. See, this file is used to produce triangular hole or triangular hole on the workpiece. See, this is your workpiece. The length of the workpiece is 10 cm and width is 5 cm. We have to reduce the length of the workpiece 10 cm to 8 cm by the filing process. Okay, filing process means we remove the excess metal from the workpiece. So we have to reduce the length of the metal from 8 cm to 10 cm. Sorry, 10 cm to 8 cm. Okay. First, we apply a chalk paste on the metal. First, we apply the chalk paste on the metal. After drying the chalk paste, then we take measurement of the workpiece. See, this is a vernier head because this is an angle bed. I have already told you in previous class how to take measurement, how to take measure. I have set 8 cm in the vernier head gauge. Now I am marking on the workpiece. Okay, this is a temporary marking. Then we have to take permanent marking on the workpiece. Okay. This is your ball peen hammer. This is your punch. I have told already in previous class how to mark on the workpiece. I think this is your anvil. There is the metal on this anvil. Then we start marking. Now marking is finished. Then we fix the metal in the bench vise. See, this is your bench vise. Okay, this is your work holding device. We fix the metal in the bench vise. Okay, and to tell you some parts of the bench vise, this is your fixed jaw, this is your movable jaw, this is your handle, this is your spindle. Okay, when you rotate the handle in clockwise direction, then it goes. Okay, when you rotate the handle in anti-clockwise direction, then it will open. Okay, now I am fixing the job in the bench vise. Before fixing the job in the bench vise, we should clean the bench vise. If there are any chips or any grease or oil is there, first clean the bench vise and fix the metal in the bench vise rigidly. Okay. Then we start filing. Now we start filing. Before filing, we have to take position. Okay. First, place your left leg on front side and right leg on back side. Okay. Then hold the handle of the file by right hand and top portion of the file, and hold the top portion of the file by left hand. Okay. Then we start filing. See, the file move in forward direction. There is no reverse direction. There is no backward direction. Okay. Thank you for attending my class. Please come one by one and do filing by yourself.